Frustrated with the shift2 library DLL crash ruining your 3D rendering? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll ensure your hardware and engine are communicating perfectly. To start fixing shift2 library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the shift2 library, a core engine module for Need for Speed. Shift2. It manages unmanaged routines for game physics simulation and real-time world state orchestration. It facilitates the data link between the game logic and the hardware-accelerated rendering manifests. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Shift2 is part of the graphics or audio runtime used by many games. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores missing DirectX components, while a GPU driver update handles OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA-related files. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including shift2 library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace shift2 library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility referenced below includes information related to shift2 library synchronization. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for shift2 library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.